The ocean had forgotten this place. Rust slowly consumed every container beside the silent shore. Broken steel towers stood frozen beneath the cold fog. Rainwater echoed through empty corridors abandoned for decades. Every corner carried scars of storms and time. The first container door opened with a painful creak. Dust drifted through the darkness like lost memories. Inside, everything was damaged beyond recognition. Mud and debris buried the once powerful structures. High-pressure water began revealing the hidden steel underneath. Years of dirt washed away down the metal walls. Rotating brushes scrubbed away thick layers of algae. Destroyed railings and shattered panels were finally removed. Rusty container doors collapsed under heavy chains. The interiors were stripped down to bare steel frames. Grinding machines cut away deeply corroded metal sections. Sanding tools smoothed every damaged edge with precision. Fresh silver steel slowly appeared beneath the rust. The old container floors finally reflected light again. Broken roof panels were removed to rebuild from scratch. New steel walls arrived to replace the ruined sections. Bright welding sparks brought life back into the structure. Heavy reinforcements stabilized the collapsing foundations. Fresh industrial staircases replaced the dangerous broken steps. Damaged support beams were rebuilt stronger than before. Waterproof ceiling panels sealed the containers completely. Massive cranes stacked each container with perfect alignment. Ventilation systems were installed deep inside the structure. New electrical wiring slowly powered the dark interiors. Old underground drainage systems were completely rebuilt. Fresh plumbing lines connected the future luxury residences. Giant glass walls transformed the cold steel interiors. Every container surface was sanded perfectly smooth. Protective primer covered the newly restored metal frames. The fresh coating dried quietly beneath the warm sunlight. Dark matte paint modernized the giant container towers. Luxury white finishes brightened the residential sections beautifully. Blue and purple neon lighting illuminated the empty streets. The city slowly awakened beneath glowing cyberpunk reflections. Warm apartment lights softened the cold industrial atmosphere. Massive rooftop pools were assembled high above the skyline. Crystal clear water filled the rooftop infinity pools slowly. Luxury rooftop lounges brought elegance to the steel city. Modern balconies transformed the containers into premium homes. Hanging gardens added life between the towering structures. Automatic irrigation systems watered every rooftop plant carefully. Fresh trees were planted throughout the futuristic plazas. Luxury park pathways connected the glowing container streets. Interactive fountains brought movement into the silent city. Bright neon signs filled the streets with futuristic energy. Glass elevators rose smoothly through the container. Luxury apartment interiors finally looked warm and alive. Automated sliding doors reflected the city's advanced design. Bridge walkways connected the glowing towers high above. The abandoned ruins had become a futuristic luxury skyline. What was once a forgotten graveyard of rust had become a living city of light.